Next is SQL insert command. There are three SQL commands to modify the database: insertion, deletion, and updation. This insert command is a data manipulation language, DML. Insert is used to add one or more tuples to the relation. Attribute values should be listed in the same order as the attributes were specified in the create table command. Suppose this is the creation of student table. Here the order is student name, roll number, admission number, class name, and age. There are 5 attributes. So SQL insert command into a student table. Insert into student values Nikita 349657, C4B 19. Here Nikita is the name of the student. Roll number of Nikita is 34 and admission number is 9657 and the class name is C4B and 19 is her age. Insert into table name values. This is the syntax of insert command, simple insert command. This is another variation of SQL insert command. Here, some attributes, the null attributes are not specified in the insert command. They are omitted here. Insert into student, yes name, roll number, admission number, class name. Values Nikita 349657. C4B. Here the age is deleted. Age is removed. This is useful when the number of attributes is large and we want to insert only few values into the table. We can use this method. But the difference between the previous one and this one is that in the previous one, we are inserting the values in the order of the create command. In the order of the attributes specified in the create statement. Here, we are explicitly stating the attributes names. That means student name, roll number, admission number, class name, like. This is another example. Insert into student, yes name, roll number, class name, admission number, class name, values Nikita 349657, ME4. Suppose the class name is a foreign key which references the class ID of class. Then when we want to insert a new value of Nikita, when a new tuple of Nikita with the class name as ME4, that ME4 should be present in the class name. Otherwise, this insert command will show some errors. Suppose I want to insert a new student, Shilpa, roll number 24, 9657, CS4. Is it possible? 9657. The admission number of Nikita is already given as 9657 and I am trying to insert the new value with the same admission number. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Why? Because we have set admission number as the primary key in the database. So we cannot insert. That case also the error will generate. Another case, insert into student S name, roll number, class name. Nikita 34C4. Here admission number is not present. So the default value of admission number here in this case, software has to take null value. Is it possible? Because based on the entity integrity constraint, primary key value should not be null. Here, the primary key is admission number, that value should not be null. So in this case also, error will generate. Next, how to insert multiple tuples into a single relation. This is another variant. which insert multiple tuples into a relation in conjunction with creating the relation and loading it with the result of a query. Create table C4A student S name, admission number, age. Insert. So here we are creating a new table, new relation for C4A student with the three attributes: student name, admission number, and age. Insert into C4A values S name, admission number, age. Select S name, admission number, age from student where class name equal to C4. Here we are using a DML query. Using this DML query, we are actually inserting the set of values, set of tuples into C4A students. So in this case, in the student table, there are several class names. All the students who are present in the class name C4A will be inserted into the table named C4A student. Here we are only taking three values, not all the values present in the student. We are only focusing with the three values: student name, admission number, and age. Multiple tuples. Thank you.